Google Pixel 11 Pro is different. This isn't just a phone. It's the first true AI computer that fits in your pocket. The leaks we've received aren't minor updates. They're foundational shifts in how we use technology. We are looking at a 2nm Tensor G6 chip that finally matches the raw power of the industry's best. We are seeing a camera that doesn't just take photos, but recreates reality using an AI zoom engine that sees things the human eye cannot. If you've been waiting for a reason to switch, this is it. The heart of this beast is the Tensor G6. Built on TSMC's cutting-edge 2nm process, the G6 is a total architectural rebuild. It's designed to run desktop-class AI models locally on your phone without lag or heat. This chip powers the new Gemini Deep Research mode, allowing your phone to browse the web, fact-check information, and write reports for you while you sleep. The hardware is only half the story. The intelligence is the real game changer. The display is the new M16 OLED panel. This is the brightest, most color-accurate glass ever put on a mobile device, reaching 3,300 nits of peak brightness. Even in direct sunlight, this screen looks like a glowing printed magazine. Google has narrowed the bezels to the point where they're almost invisible, creating a true edge-to-edge experience. The camera system has been completely redesigned. Google has moved away from the traditional visor look for a sleek, integrated camera module. It features a 50-megapixel main sensor with a physical shifting aperture. The real magic, however, is the 100x AI hybrid zoom. Using a new temporal super resolution algorithm, Google is using AI to fill in details, creating sharp photos at impossible distances. You could take a photo from the back of a stadium and still read the time on a player's watch. Video performance has also taken a massive leap. Video Boost 3.0 now processes 4K 60 frames per second footage in real time on the device. No more waiting for the cloud to process your night shots. The low-light performance is incredible, turning night into day while maintaining natural shadows and perfect skin tones. Internal documents have leaked the code names for this lineup: the Cubs, the Grizzly, and the Kodiak. The Pixel 11 Pro, known as Grizzly, is the flagship sweet spot. It packs 16 gigabytes of RAM and a new Titan M3 security chip. A hidden feature many are missing is the Qi 2 magnetic pixel snap. Google is finally embracing a magnetic ecosystem, allowing for a world of snap-on accessories and faster wireless charging. This phone actually works for you. With Android 17, the Pixel 11 Pro anticipates your needs. It knows when you're heading to a meeting and prepares your notes. It knows when you're tired and automatically filters your notifications. It's a digital chief of staff. Connectivity is also getting a massive upgrade with Satellite SOS 2.0. This allows for full two-way messaging and low-bandwidth data transfers anywhere on Earth. Even with no cell towers, you stay connected. The Google Pixel 11 Pro is a statement. It is the vessel Google built to prove they're the leaders in AI. At an expected price of $999, is a direct challenge to every other flagship on the market. If these specs are even 80% accurate, we are looking at the phone of the decade. The future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's branded with AG. This is your first look at the Pixel 11 Pro, the most important tech release of the year. Google Pixel 11 Pro design leaked ahead of launch. New camera bar design. Tensor G6. MediaTek modem expected. The Google Pixel 11 Pro has now surfaced in its first set of renders, giving an early look at what the next flagship might bring. The images, shared by Tipster at OneLeaks, suggest that Google isn't making a drastic visual shift this time, but there are a few noticeable tweaks. At first glance, the design still looks very much like a Pixel. Flat sides remain, and the overall shape feels familiar. The main change seems to be around a camera bar, which appears larger but slightly thinner, now finished in a single camera glass. Design and display details based on the leak. The Pixel 11 Pro is said to measure 152.7 by 71.8 by 8.4 millimeters. That's close to the Pixel 10 Pro, and it lines up with reports that the phone could retain a 6.3-inch OLED display. New chip and internal changes under the hood. The Pixel 11 Pro is said to be powered by Google's upcoming Tensor G6 chip. According to the leak, this could be a 7-core reprocessor built on TSMC's 2nm process. There's also talk of a shift in connectivity. Google may move away from Samsung's modem and introduce a new MediaTek M90 modem instead. Security could see an upgrade as well. The phone is expected to include a new Titan M3 coprocessor, codenamed Google Epic, replacing the Titan M2 used in previous models. Memory, storage, and software. The leaks suggest the phone may continue with 16 gigabytes of RAM. On the storage side, there's a possibility that the base variant could start at 256 gigabytes instead of 128 gigabytes. The Pixel 11 Pro is also expected to run Android 17 out of the box, aligning with Google's usual software rollout timeline. Camera and video features. There are also a few early hints around camera capabilities. One of the more interesting mentions is an ultra-low-light video mode that processes footage directly on the device, without relying on an internet connection. There's also talk of cinematic blur support at 4K 30 frames per second, along with up to 100x zoom using updated telephoto hardware and machine learning. Another feature that could be coming is a video real light option, allowing users to adjust lighting conditions after capturing footage. Expected launch timeline. The Pixel 11 series is expected to launch in August, following a similar schedule to last year's lineup. The images, published by Android Headlines in collaboration with OnLeaks, show a device that remains largely unchanged from the Pixel 10 Pro, continuing Google's established design language. Camera bar updated, overall design unchanged. The Pixel 11 Pro retains its horizontal camera bar, though the finish appears to have been revised. The module is now shown in a fully blacked-out design, replacing the mixed color treatment used previously. The adjustment simplifies the rear appearance, with the body color now limited to the surrounding frame rather than extending into the camera bar itself. The bar also appears slightly flatter, which could improve stability when the device is placed on flat surfaces. The renders do not show the temperature sensor included in earlier Pro models, suggesting it may be removed, though that detail remains unconfirmed. Dimensions and build. According to the CAD data, the Pixel 11 Pro measures 152.7 by 71.8 by 8.4 millimeters, making it nearly identical in size to its predecessor, with only a marginal reduction in thickness. The device continues to feature a flat metal frame and a centered front camera cutout. Bezels appear relatively thin, though still wider than some competing flagship devices. As with all CAD-based renders, smaller details, such as final color options and port placement, may differ in the production model. Hardware expectations. The Pixel 11 Pro is expected to be powered by Google's next-generation Tensor G6 processor, which could adopt a revised core configuration. Reports also point to a shift to a MediaTek M90 modem. Memory is likely to reach 16 gigabytes of RAM, though some configurations could scale lower depending on cost considerations. Storage is expected to start at 128 gigabytes, in line with previous models, though a move to 256 gigabytes as a base option remains possible. Display and battery. The device is expected to retain a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display, with no major changes indicated at this stage. Battery capacity is likely to remain around 5,000 mAh, suggesting performance gains will depend on efficiency improvements rather than increased capacity. Release timeline and pricing. Google is expected to introduce the Pixel 11 series in August 2026, consistent with its recent release cycle. Pricing has not been disclosed. The current model launched at $999, and it remains unclear whether Google will maintain that level or adjust pricing in response to component costs. Google Pixel 11 Pro launch timeline. Following the usual launch window, the tech giant could launch its Pixel 11 Pro in August-September 2026. This is in line with the past releases of Pixels, with Google launching its flagship phones later in the year. Talking about the prices, the base variant of the Pixel 11 Pro may have a price between Rs103 $999 and Rs1 $19 $999 in India. This positions it in the high-end smartphone market, where it competes with other high-end devices, processor and RAM options. Google will likely use its new Tensor G6 chipset to drive the Pixel 11 Pro. This processor can be superior in terms of AI performance and efficiency to its predecessors. The device would have 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes storage, but other reports LSO indicate that Google may change the RAM options based on the pricing. Battery and charging capabilities display. The smartphone can have a 5,000 milliamp hours battery capable of 45W wired charging. The arrangement will offer 24-hour battery life under normal use. It may have a 6.3-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a high refresh rate to ensure a scrolling effect and enhanced images. Camera features. For camera, the Pixel 11 Pro should have a triple rear camera setup. It might also consist of a 50MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto camera that may be 48MP or 64MP with a 5x optical zoom. In the case of selfies, the front camera might have a resolution of 32MP to 42MP. Design. The design can be extended to the signature camera bar, but slightly modified. It is reported that the camera module might be finished with a complete blacked-out finish. It is assumed that the bezels will be slim, but not the slimmest in the segment. The size of the device will be similar to the last generation, and it will be easy to hold. It can also be a bit thinner than its predecessor. On the whole, the Pixel 11 Pro will most likely be rather refinement-based than design-based.